going on, everybody? Today's a beautiful Sunday here in Hawaii, so you know we gotta ride a little bit, get a nice little Sunday latte going, put in some work, try to get more comfortable on this bike. But yeah, right now I'm heading to a buddy of mine's house. We're all gonna meet up there, and then from there we're gonna hit the lot. That thing is cool. That color is so nice. Pop a little one right here. Too easy, bro. Oh yeah. Bro, hand drag. Thirds are feeling so smooth. I just can't seem to get comfy, bro. So sketch. Oh, I think I found the spot, baby. Smooth. Go, knee knocker's kind of locked in. I didn't feel that bad. That felt pretty good. I'm fucking hyped, dude. Huh? Oh, really? Dude, I got a throttle hand back on and then up to knee knocker. And then I went back down. That was sick. Let's go. I'm so hype on that, dude. I was like, dude, I feel comfy when I tap to third, so let's see how it goes. And then on the way here, I got on knee knocker and I was like, that felt too easy. So then on the way back, I was like, all right, throttle hand to knee knocker, and it was just like there, and I was like, let's go. Ah, I'm so hyped. That felt cool. Hell yeah. Woo! But yeah, guys, that was today's video. Really chill video, just hitting the lot with some boys and getting some seat time in. I'm really trying to work on my progression on this bike, trying to get more comfortable, and I felt like today I made crazy progression compared to last time. At least I got throttle hand off, and I got sit down to knee knocker, which is pretty good. First time doing it, so it feels pretty sick. So I'm really hype about it. And so I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like this video, thumbs up, and you know, subscribe to the channel if you want to. And I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.